Hello, all soldiers. We have spotted an anomalous floating islands that contains powerful sources. So, we will travel there by Skycarriers, so we can conquer the lands and advance in our technology. Without further ado, let's go to the battle sky, shall we? Ah, the good old days. Oh, nice. The details are immaculate.
Heading 340, up ahead. Ready for launch.
Screening. Beautiful.
The area has been captured and now belongs to the enemy. Eyes on enemy contact.
Okay, we're ready.
Launch reporting.
Never
Attack
mind.
from enemy warships. Battle station. This is not the drill. Fighters are fuel ready. Launch detected. 10 seconds. Secure control of the enemy area. Or severely damaged. Launch detection. Radar reports 10 seconds to impact.
What?
Clear surround.
Looks like I'm gonna die.
Full speed ahead. Stop the engines. Launch detected. 10 seconds. Reborn. Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships.
Ah, shoot. My boosters.
Running fast. Engage damage control.
I'm bad, but let's do another. Let's go.
Enemy forces approaching. Capture and hold as many areas as possible.
Another
From
screening.
the enemy. Over.
Good.
340, up ahead.
Launching aircrafts.
Oh, you can do that? Interesting.
Eyes on enemy contact.
Yippee.
Missile silos transfer.
Enemy spotted.
Alpha Bravo 22. Enemy
Miss.
aircraft spotted. Right full rudder.
Looks like this Skycarrier can phase through walls.
Attack enemy aircraft before when they reach their launching points.
I can say the soundtrack sounds very nice.
Captain has the con. All hands on deck. Launch on enemy missiles. Prepare for air launch. Stop the engines. Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships.
Hurry into the traps. I go.
Up ahead. Deny enemy advantage of access to electromagnetic spectrum. We have successfully seized and are holding the area. Enemy contact on the radar. Flares ready.
Shoot! My boosters are gone again. Down I go. It's hard to control the altitude. It's too responsive and slow. I don't know how. I can't never fit there, right? Just go up. I'm gonna die, aren't I? I'm still alive somehow. I talked too soon. You know what? Let's just skip into an interesting battle. Many battles later. I just noticed it moves. I'm a type a little.
All strike fighters in formation. Capture Sector B.
Down we go. There's another fighter.
Attack enemy aircraft before they reach their launching points.
He's dead.
Fighters take attention.
What the hell? Oh, I see.
Left turn, take course 070.
Oof.
My command. Engine standby. Turn right 30 degrees. Missile time deployment point. Missile away. Enemy missile has been destroyed. Contact with the flag. Clearing defense for resupply. E-class ready. Allies are attacking the area. Provide cover. Launch lifeboats. Evacuate all
Okay,
the crew.
that's it. To be honest, this is pretty difficult if you don't have good strategy, but I like it. The event is overall pretty good. Next time, I will be reviewing any exclusive items if I got any in this event. But anyway, if you like this video, consider liking, comment, and subscribing. Really makes me feel happy, and more content will be coming soon. Thank you, everyone. Over and out.